Hi everybody, Jens Johansson here from J2. In this week's episode, we're going to talk about how we find leaks. And I'm going to go over 4 real easy tools that we use day in and day out to find leaks. This first one is called a pin style moisture meter. So what we do is we poke it into the surface and it gives us a reading. And so the problem with it is when we poke it into the wall, it leaves a couple little pinholes. And so in certain finishes, I don't know if you can see those pinholes, they're pretty small, but in certain instances for like wallpaper or things that you don't want to poke, this isn't a great tool. But it's a widely used tool out in the field. Works for wood, concrete, drywall, all sorts of different finishes. If you don't want to poke holes in things, you use this AccuScan. It's a pinless style, and so all we're doing is going to run it over the wall just like this, and the meter will bounce and we'll see wet areas. The third style, this is an infrared camera. This is about an $8,000 piece of equipment, and it shows us anomalies. I don't know if you can see the plant in the corner. You can see the chair that's a different color. You can see the blinds that are a different color. And on this one, I'm going to do a live demonstration. Here's a cup of water, and we're going to spritz it on the wall. So it's kind of hard to see, from a visual standpoint. You don't really see water stains until they become like brown, or maybe you see water running down the wall. But this turns into a non-invasive way to see water on the wall. See the spattering? So that's the spray mark. You see the drip of the water, and you can actually see the cup of water there. So this is a really useful tool. You can see some water on the table. So this is a really useful tool for a non-invasive way. It's basically just like taking a video of your wall. And so this is a great tool. And the fourth piece is it's called a calcium chloride test. So this is for assessing water moisture on the floor, specifically concrete, like slab on grade or parking garages or things like that. It's conducted per ASTM 1869, and what it is some calcium chloride in a little container. You weigh it when it's dry. It's in this environmentally locked bag, and so you put it down on the ground, you weigh it first, and you seal this down, and you come back 72 hours later and you measure the weight again, and it soaks up the water. It soaks up any vapor or water that's in the slab. And so then you look at your charts and you see what the weight is, and then you can determine if there's water coming in through the slab or underneath. And so that's 4 quick tools on how we find leaks and then develop a repair to fix them. So now that we're headed into fall, we're getting into bad weather, we're getting into rains, now's the time to take a look at your building. And if you suspect anything, give us a call and we can do one of these real quick, simple tests to see if you have an issue. Thanks.